Hello, hi, how are you doing? Welcome back to my daily uploads. Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharifahmbazike. That's the beautiful name. I don't know if you've ever heard of any Mbazike in this world. I'm alone, I believe. No, I'm not alone. I'm with my actually we are three in the family who are called Mbazike. Yeah, so it's a unique name actually. So you wanna know where I come from? Please keep around. But hey, I appreciate you. Thank you for passing by. And today's video is about teeth whitening. Yeah, so last time I promised you to be uploading another video containing other ingredients which can still help you to whiten your teeth. Yeah, so if you did not like the other ingredients in the previous video, this one, so today's video, hopefully it can work for you. So if you're new here, please subscribe and join the family. Don't forget to hit the notification bell because I don't want you to miss any of my videos, and that's the reason why I'm like, hey, click on that notification bell, babe or dude. Anyways, so let's dive into the video. So in this video, our first ingredient, we are going to be using garlic. Garlic helps to eliminate the presence of plaque, build up and naturally whiten the teeth. And if you have a painful tooth or area in your mouth, any area in your mouth, just get a slice of garlic and place it directly on the affected area. It will help you nullify the bacteria and begins to bring relief immediately. So what you need to do with garlic, you need to get like 3 to 6 cloves of garlic, depending on which amount of paste that you need. Yes, so this is what we're going to be doing. You can grate your garlic, or you can blend it, you can pound it. Any easy way on how you can make this garlic into a smooth paste. Yeah, so for me, I'm going to be using my grater and I'm using the smallest side. So now what you need to do, I've just exchanged the grater because the other one, as I had started grating, the particles were big, so I needed something which is going to give me a smooth paste, and hopefully I'm using this kind of grater, and I've used this side the way how you see me doing it. It's a struggle for sure, but for the purpose of teeth whitening, we have to be sure because it will help us remove stains quickly. And when it comes to oral care, garlic is one of those ingredients that I can always use. Me as a person, however much we have different feelings about how to take garlic and how to consume it, and because of its bad breath, the bad breath that it can leave you with. Yes, but I have another video. If this doesn't work for you, please watch. So the next thing here, we are going to get our garlic. Here, as you can see, it's now a smooth paste. We are going to be adding in another ingredient, and that ingredient is a tomato. We are going to be using a tomato. We just need its juice. We don't need to make it as a puree. We just need juice. So make sure that you get ripe one which is ready for consumption, and you can get that juice out of it. Yeah, so after adding in our tomato, the next ingredient that we are going to be adding in our paste, yes, we are going to be adding in salt. And salt, no okay, you can add in salt, or you can add in sodium bicarbonate, or you can add in baking soda, or you can add in apple cider vinegar. But for me, I'm going in with salt because salt will help you heal if at all you have wounds on your gum. Yeah, so basically the reason why I always add in salt is to help me heal if at all I have any effects with the brushing. Yeah, so salt is there to protect my dental formula. And also you can add in your favorite toothpaste. Yes, so you can use Colgate, but as you've seen, the type of toothpaste I use. So you can use any toothpaste, yes, the one that you feel like it can work for you. I don't want to be so specific that you use Colgate. You are allowed and free to use any toothpaste of your choice, yes. So you just need to mix this very well, and if you have remains, I will not advise you to keep any that you use it the following day, unless if you can keep it in a refrigerator. So what you need to do is get your toothbrush, get some of the amount onto your toothbrush, and then start brushing. Brush for 2 good minutes, then after wash your mouth and leave it to heal. Yeah, this will help you whiten your teeth. I know some of you are going to ask me, Sharifah, why did you add in garlic today? Garlic has a bad smell. Garlic, if you eat garlic, it's going to leave you with a bad smell. Yes, it does. By the way, it does. We all have different kind of relationship with garlic. So if you love garlic, hey, how are you? Hope you're doing fine. And if you hate garlic, you have one reason today to love garlic, because you're going to be adding it into your oral care so that you can have healthy teeth. And also it is going to help you heal and solve most of the mouth problems, like plaque, if you're having decay, if you're having bleeding gum, if you're having sensitivity issues. So garlic is going to help you solve all those kind of problems. So at least you have one reason why you should add in garlic today. Promise me that you're going to add garlic into your oral care routine. Yes. So thank you for watching, guys. Help me watch one of these videos around this corner, yeah, because I still want to be with you. So at least watch one of these videos. Yeah, keep around. I want to see you in the next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.